guys, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang. It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel, and I'm Yujin. Today, I will make Korean soft tofu stew, Bu Jjigae. It's savory and spicy stew, and it's very good with the bowl of rice. This recipe is meatless, but I will use some Korean oyster sauce a little bit. Don't know what it is? No problem. I always put the ingredients on the description with the links, so take a look. You will know what it is and where to buy. So now, are you ready for the meatless but still tastes good Bu Jjigae? All you need to do is just follow me, okay? It's not that hard to get started. First of all, prepare the vegetables. To me, actually this part is the most boring part of cooking. How about you guys? OMG, those pepper seeds are popping all over. For the broth, boil 4 cups of water in the pot with 10 dried anchovies and 4 dried kelps. Now we need to make red pepper oil. Put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pot. Add chopped onions and green onions. Stir fry them until they get softened. When the onions are soft, add 3 tablespoons of pepper flakes. So we are now making red pepper oil. This red pepper oil is very important to make savory soup of Bu Jjigae. It gives the stew a unique flavor. When red pepper oil is well mixed with the onions, put 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and another 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a hint of sugar, and then mix and stir fry all together well. Now pour anchovy and kelp broth over to the red pepper oil pot. Oh, I almost forgot about the Manila Clams. Let's put them now. Put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic too. Now let it boil. When it's boiled, add all the remaining vegetables. And then put sundubu now. Be careful when you add soft tofu into the pot. It's a bit heavy, so it might be splattered all over, so you have to slowly slide them into the pot. Actually, this is optional. Let's put my magic sauce, anchovy fish sauce. The taste at this point should be just a little bit saltier than you expected because we will have stew with rice and eggs. Finish up with the green onions, and don't forget the egg yolk on the top of your dish. Oh, yeah! I hope you all enjoyed Bu Jjigae. If you have any questions, comment on this video, okay? So I think this is it for today. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!